Hi guys, welcome to Silas networking. Welcome to my channel. If you're listening for the first time, my name is Silas networking. You are coming across my video for the first time. Now the first time when you observe this face, when you see me for the internet, I appreciate for watching this video. And maybe Silas networking. So for today's video, I don't want to take much time. I want to really show us one of the best way how to join Coaxial. One of the best way to join your Coaxial. You know, there are a lot of ways to do this and it will still work perfectly. But one of the best way that you can make you get your signal exactly the way it is. Understand me? That is what we want to do in this video. Understand? So watch to the end. Don't skip any part of this video. And please click on the notification bell so that you get notification anytime I do a video like this. And try and subscribe to our channel. If you never subscribe, share our video, comment and like so that other people to reach this video. So let us do it sharply and wirely. So just like this, just use your cutter or anything, chamfer your coil cable very well to your satisfaction. You know how you take on your own. Just watch what they do. So there are many patterns you can do this. Everybody with their own pattern. Put in your F connector very well. That is only can see. I've put in my F connector and it's very good to go. Very okay. If the mat is too long, use a cutter and choking it, use a cutter, fork the mat up small so that it will be fit for you to go. So this one don't negative. Now the next one, take your knife or your cable stripper, anyone when you get to do your thing. The way it will give you a better result. So this is one of the best way you go fit join cable to get a complete signal. Do way get am. Then you put the other part of F connector. You know there are different types of F connectors, but all they work. You can use an masking clip to support it. So as you can see, they are all fixed very well and accurate. You can see. So and I put in your connector. So as you can see, this is one of the best way you can join a coax cable to give you a better result. This best way to join coax cable make you get better result for your signal strength. Understand me? As simple like this, that is the best way you can join your coax cable. Thank you.